Hello teacher and companions. My name is Milton Andres Moreno. I am going to talk about planning the trip. Introduction of the place. Paipa is located in the east center of Colombia in the department of Boyacá, approximately 60 kilometers from its capital Tunja. It is a tourist place since you can visit different interesting places, such as the Pantano de Vargas Monument, enjoy its thermal pools, you will be able to enjoy the lago view and spectacular weather. Mm, Duration of the trip. This attraction has a duration for 3 days and 2 nights. This day you can enjoy. First day. In the morning, visit to the Pantano de Vargas Monument and you can learn to the story of Simon Bolivar. In the afternoon, enjoy the different activities. Until late at night, you can dance and drink in the Chiva Rumbera. Second day, visit the ecological trails. Sarsa, enjoy the beautiful natural la space. In the afternoon, you can enjoy the thermal pools and sauna. Third day in the morning, ride horses and visit the traditional restaurant and city tours through. Means on transportation. You will come in the bus or private car. Activities to do. You can enjoy the different activities, thermal pools and sauna, ride a boat, walking in the ecological trails, skiing the river, and the gastronomical food. And get to know the beautiful place. Please stay. You can stay in hotel location next to lake Sochagota. Another option can be a glamping. Typical food. You can eat typical dishes, sancocho or cocido boyacense, natural juice, masato de maíz, and almojábana. Costs. This package has a cost of 30,000, 50,000 pesos per person, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Thank you very much.